Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, now we are seeing a trendy collection of fancy Banarasi silk sarees. A beautiful copper zari woven pattern is running all over the body, and the vibrant satin borders on both sides enhances the elegance of this saree. This model is coming with a rich pallu and running blouse. And all these beautiful collections you are getting in a full price of 600 rupees only. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Moving to the next collection, you are seeing is the most awaited Arani silk sarees, which are restocked as per the customer demand. You know about this collection, which are soft and light in weight. All over the body is having plus, minus and check designs, in which some of them are having double border and others are having single zari border. All these collections are with contrast pallu and blouse, and the price of the saree is 550 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. And please note, those who wanted this collection, make your order as early as possible, as because mostly the stocks are finishing within hours. Hope you like these all collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for